Hi guys, John here, Mr. Forex Fire. Sorry I was at the doctors this morning, didn't do any sort of recording on a morning session, but bit of a homework thing, or well, not so much homework, bit of a thing you can do to have a little bit of a test on this fire scalper. Okay, I'm going to show you one or two things that I'm looking at and something that we can implement and have a little bit of fun with, and it just adds to the reality of like sort of live trading as well. So just going to share my screen, got a handsome Geordie face of mine in the top corner. Right, so what you've got, you can go to, let's take a look. You go to your profile, okay? Let's minimize this. Now on the bottom, you'll be able to click on an area like this, and it has like brokers lists on here. You can connect paper trading, okay? Now when you connect the paper trading, from there, what we'll do is we'll just go to trading. Just make this bigger. What the paper trading does is it lets you sort of go to the trading journal, account history. You can see I've been having a little bit of play around with this, okay? So when you get the paper trading, you can go back to see the brokers list, okay? Again, I'm messing around with this, so paper trading, so it's you use on your demo account. You can pick what you want to go with. So I went with I think it was 25k or something like this while I was messing around with. So I was treating it as if it was a 25k account with like a prop firm. From there, you've got two areas. Again, paper trading. You can reset, okay? Reset, and I'm going to put 25,000, okay? And I'm just going to go reset. So that resets everything. You'll see on the balance on the top right, it's reset that. Okay, and now from there, you'll have your profile name. In this instance, it's me, forexfire. I can click on that, and then it'll show you accounts, right? So we've got nothing live at the moment. Now we're going to go onto the chart. And to do that, you just minimize that down. You're now using your paper trading because you've got this on the top. Okay. Now I was messing around with this afternoon. What we're going to do, we're going to set a trade, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So I've got my structure points, highs, low lows, low highs. We had lower lows met here. Let's just get rid of that. We had lower lows met here. Although that's your low. There's a lower low there. We'll get rid of that. That's not lower low. Sorry, I do apologize. Right. So what I want to do, I'm going to do this as a bit of fun. This is not a trade that I'm going to take. This is just to show you what you can do. I've shown you how to set up the paper trading. From there, we've had a break of structure here. So the parameters are still going to stay the same. So what we've got there, identify it. That has been our break of structure. Okay, so we're looking for the last down before the up. So we're going to right click here, and we're going to go to trade, create new order. Okay, now in this instance, it's going to be a buy order, and in fact, we've got a break there. It looks like the USD's on a massive spike now. So what we'll do is we're going to be going highlight that, look to the right. So it's a limit order, a buy limit. Okay. Highlight this, look to the right, 113093. So I'm going to go 113095. I'm going to put stop loss again, 113062. So I'll just put stop loss 060. Take profit, I'll put it 21, 11321. Right, to 21. And then on here, you're going to see quantity, right? So the quantity, we're going to change this to risk 1%. Okay. So then This is going to tell you it's a risk to reward. You're risking 1%. To that area on the top, it will give you a 3.29% return. Okay. Now, if I click buy, that's the order now set. Okay, so the order is now set. Now, I've been having a bit mess around and play with these. Again, to look at the stuff on here, you can see on here, it's going to show you 3 orders. Take no notice of these when it says sell, sell, buy. It'll activate once your limit order comes into play. Okay, so this is the working one. These ones are inactive. Okay, they are inactive because you did not select your sell position. You set your buy limit. So this is the working order at the moment. So that is the one that is on your account on the paper trading. From there, you can go back to positions and minimize that back down. Once price comes back into play, and meets this area, it's going to become activated. You will then get a little bit of a bell noise, and then if it goes up to take profit, you can take the profit. From there, to take anything out, you can just click a couple of times on the order and it'll ask you if you want to close the order out. From here, we'll have a little bit of fun. I'm just going to pause the video from here and then we'll see what happens if it does get an entry. I'll be back in a second. Hi guys, so I thought I'd share a little bit more with you. Again, I'm not taking a trade on this. I'm just going to show you what you can do. You can move things, a bit like on a C trader. You can move price up and down. Okay, when you let go, it's gonna tell you, do you want to modify the order? Okay, you just click yes if you want to get in on a trade. Let's just say we've got price here. Okay, modify the order. Let's see, I've got the stop loss here. We'll just do this for a bit of fun, and then modify the order, and then we'll keep this recording going. We'll just see what happens, and then when it clicks in, you'll hear a bell. Hopefully, it'll do that. You just got to wait for that ask price to come down. You've got to click on it to make sure this is blue. I do believe it's going to kick off for us. Let's move the buy limit up a bit. Here's the order. Just got to wait for this to activate. There we are. So it's activated there. As you can see, we are in drawdown. This will probably come down and stop us out, to be fair. Let's move the stop loss for around over here. We're just going to say yes. Bring the take profit to just here. We'll see what happens if it closes out. We'll see if we can get it into take profit. So this was risking, it was going to be 1%, but I think that might have changed on the parameters. I just want to see if this paper trading works. See if we'll get that push back up. And you can see at the moment it's giving you current prices on here, which I do believe is in conjunction with the the drawdown that we're in. If you look on this, again, if you click on the X, it will close the position. Okay, so that is to close the position. If you were in so much profit and you wanted to close it early, this is giving you live price as it moves up and down. Let's see if we'll get that push into the positive just to show you what it does on there. You can see on here, it's giving you your equity, it's giving you your account balance, and it's giving you your profit, your open profit as it plays. Again, not the best of trades to take to show you how this works, but again, I just wanted to do this as an instructional video on how to get started with paper trading on the MT4. There's chance to hit the stop loss before it goes anywhere near a take profit, to be fair. But we'll let it play. We'll let it play out and see what happens. And just keep your eye on this here. Obviously, this price will change as it fluctuates, same as it does on here as well. Going to go down and hit the stop loss. I would have thought. Yeah, it's heading down towards the stop loss. Let's bring the stop loss in a bit closer, to be fair, just to see what happens when it hits either the take profit. There we are. It's hit the stop loss there. And you can see on your field, it's telling you here, trading journal, I should say, that's executed, account history, close position. It's telling you there, that's what you've lost. And again, guys, it's all about having a little bit clear. We could say here, right, we're going to do, again, trade, create a new order. We want a limit. 17511. Right, do stop loss. 110, take profit. We're going to do 1% risk. Okay, and then you can just set your parameters again. And there's it activated. Obviously, you'll have a spread. You have a spread on the orders when you're taking your order. And again, you can see this is in live at the moment, and it's live on there. So that's giving you your actual price is going to go down to stop out again. Fantastic if it does, because then we're just going to see what happens and how. We'll get rid of that line there. Let's get rid of that just so you see where the arrows are. It's telling you where the orders has been. Come on. Again, let's move the stop up. There we are, and it's stopped out. So that's it, guys. Have a bit of fun. Again, your paper trading, you can get it access simply by going on to see the brokers list. Connect your paper trading up. It's free, it's demo wise. From there, it's going to tell you your account history on here, because we've had 2 losses at the moment. Okay, it's going to give you a breakdown there. We've had 2 losses. It's going to give you any orders that's working, that's been filled, it's been cancelled, it's been rejected, and so on. If you want to reset your account, you just go to reset paper trading account, and that's it, guys. This I find, stop the share. This I find would be perfect if you want to trial run the 1 minute scalp and use paper trading on the trading view. Let me know what you think. It's going to be, in fact, this will be your homework for this week for anybody that is trying the 1 minute scalper. Get this set up, give it a try. You've got no excuse to sort of understand how to do the risk to reward on this, because you can actually set what you are wanting to risk all in the create the trade. Okay, let's have some fun, let's have some engagement. Let me know what you think. Okay, I'm going to make this a new category inside of the forexfire 1 minute scalper, and I'll have for this alone, a chat area for there if anybody's wanting to chat within that. Okay, so thank you very much, and we will see you in a bit.